BioLector XT Microbioreactor operates with a set of up to 6 filter modules that facilitate the measurement of various parameters like biomass, pH, dissolved oxygen, and various fluorescences. While up to 6 channels can be used during one experiment, you have the flexibility to exchange filter modules between runs so they match the requirements of each experiment. To do so, access the Filters menu on the screen and select Start Filter Change. This moves the filter slide into the service position. Open the door to access the filter slide and wait until it reaches its final position. On the screen, select the filter position to be changed and choose the filter ID from the list. The filter module you indicate here must be the one that will now be physically installed on the BioLector XT device. Select Back to confirm the changes. Now, if applicable, remove the old filter module from the position to be changed or just remove the screw. Then insert the new filter module, plug in the cable socket, and secure the filter module in place using the screw. When the physical exchange is complete, select Apply on the screen and wait for the auto-referencing process to complete. Make sure you've removed all loose parts from the incubation chamber beforehand, as the device will start shaking.